Okay, good morning, everybody. Today is Wednesday, January 14th, 2026. Welcome to the live trading room. Hope you had a good evening yesterday. Here is yesterday's trades. Had a swing high to start out with. Let me get my drawing tools here. Had that swing high to start out with. We took a trade there for 26, and then that long sell off that happened after. Took two trades there, one for 47, one for 44. Anyway, ended up yesterday, three trades for plus 117. Looks like that call came all the way back up. Surprisingly, after that deep dip, it came all the way back up, then came all the way back down again. So big, long trends yesterday, the kind of trends that can really be profitable. We do have let me look here. Looks like we do have a gap play this morning. Gap trade and fill will be at 623.70. That'll be the gap trade and fill. And SPY closed, QQQ closed last night at 626.29, and it's currently sitting at 622.90. So we do have a gap play this morning. Let's head over to the option chain. Get rid of that. We've got 1.464 million already traded in pre-market volume. The pricing is way out of whack right now. The strikes are way out of whack, so we will quote those when we get into the session on that. And with that, I'm going to say good morning to Mr. Keith Frampton as soon as he unmutes his mic. There he is. Good morning, Keith.
Morning, Tim. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, that one call trade yesterday while I was sitting in the dentist chair closed out for a gain, and so I ended up only down 3 cents for the morning. So, so that worked out well, very well there for me. Um, this morning, well, first of all, yesterday we had some disappointing banking news on some earnings. So that's what overnight sold the market off. And a lot of the other banking stocks also sold off in sympathy of that. Had a couple mixed banking ones this morning before the market opened. But the big one today was the producer price index numbers came out before the market opened, along with the retail sales for November finally came out, and and producer price index other numbers for various sectors came out, and market didn't like that a whole lot, so it's been selling off a bit since then. We will have one of the Fed members speaking about in 22 minutes. And the existing home sales numbers will come out at 10 o'clock, along with another Fed member speaking at 10. Um, we will have tons of Fed members speaking. One at 12 today, actually, two of them at 12 today. Then the Fed Beige Books comes out at 2 o'clock today. Um, so anyway, a lot of things that can move the market around. Hopefully, we'll be able to take advantage of that. And I'll be trading today's expiration along with Tim. And I think that's all I have at the moment.
Okay, well, that's quite a bit. Thank you, sir.
Yep.
All right, and I've got a pretty good crowd in this morning, waiting for a few more people to get in. Just a reminder to have 20 cents between your hash marks on each of your charts. If not 20 cents, just use the same distance money wise every day. So you're looking at the same size candles from day to day. And we're coming up on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we are in. See what the broader markets are up to. Waiting for NAS to report. But we got the Dow is down by 50, down by 31. NASDAQ is down by 145. S&P is down by 26. So we got NASDAQ down pretty well. A little doji there before the market opened. Don't know if I've ever seen a doji there before. So price coming down. Let's get rid of that. And in terms of, wow, my option chain hasn't really updated yet. Still lopsided. I'm going to wait a little bit before I quote anything on that. Huh, that's strange. Price coming down a little bit. Oh, wait a minute. Let's do this. I'm on the wrong day. That's why. I'm still on the 13th. We're on the 14th. So probably be at the 619 on the call side and the 623 on the put side. Ooh, things are diving down here pretty well. Let's keep an eye on that 623 on the put side. This could be an early breakout. Got both our MACDs in the put bias position. Yeah, price trying to reverse here a bit. Excuse the noise in the background if you're hearing the sanding. They're having to sand down the stairs and restain them so they match the rest of the hardwoods.
I keep hearing a high-pitched noise. I don't know if that's you or me.
I'm not sure.
Okay.
I heard it too.
Oh, okay. All right.
Price going up. See, and that's what happens when we get those sudden push downs. They can look like they're good trades, but then we get the sudden reversals in there.
Yeah, particularly in the first 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up?
All right, price heading up. I'm going to head over to the 621. Is that right? Yeah, 621 on the call side. Stand by. We'll just keep an eye on this. See if this breaks out. Starting to float back down.
What's up? Put a pseudo demand zone at the bottom of that first 5 minute candle.
Okay.
Mhm.
We can do that. There we go. Price beginning to come back down. So the market maker basically tried to break out on the bottom side and the top side, just ran out of traders willing to trade beyond those points, which is kind of surprising since we have so much volume, already up to 4,511,000 traded on the underlying. I'm going to head back to the put side to the 624 on the put side. Let's keep a close eye on this in case this breaks out down. Price trying to reverse here a bit, having a difficult time getting some feet under it. See if price is going into consolidation here. Yep, just in consolidation right now. Dow's down 55, Nasdaq's down 192, S&P's down 32. We can go ahead and put a supply zone up on the top here, a real supply zone. As we wait for price to do something. There we go. All right, going back to the 623 on the put side. Stand by. I'm going to enter this 623. And I got filled at 389.
391 for me.
Come on down.
I'm going to try to get profit for 30 cents if I can here.
Okay.
Got 30 cents.
And same for me, actually. I'm going to go right back to the 622 on the put side.
Got that one Fed member speaking in 5 minutes too. Just
Do we? Okay. Yeah, price still declining.
And 1 minute MACD is down to minus 1.3. Although the 5 minute MACD is down hugely strong.
Mhm.
I'm going to turn around on the 1 minute.
It's quite an angle on the 1 minute.
Yeah.
By the way, Keith, happy birthday last week.
Oh, thank you. Thank you,
Yeah,
Kate.
I wasn't on Thursday.
Oh, Keith, you should have told us. Happy birthday, buddy.
Thank you.
Price reversing and heading back up.
Well, we're sitting here waiting on that. Larry, just want to let you know my daughter found a cheer line bottle local here that gave me for my birthday. And it was good.
Wow, what could be better than that?
I know, really.
I'm jealous. Actually, I have a little store here close to me that sells real ones that are made with sugar and not cane syrup.
Oh, yeah? Huh.
Yeah, they're 10-ounce ones, and they're bottled in Statesville. I
Oh,
thought they would have to come from Mexico, but they're made in North Carolina. It says on
oh,
the
darn.
bottle, but 10 ounces, and they're $2 a piece. And I go in about once a week and get one.
Of
There
course.
you go.
Got close to a doji on that last candle.
Yeah. Price trying to turn around. Got Dow down by 97, NASDAQ down by 223 now, S&P down by 38. One-minute MACD is crossed over to the call side.
And that one Fed member supposedly is speaking now. Just a reminder, we do have some announcements coming out at 10 also, along with the number of Fed members speaking at 10. So could be some craziness and popping both directions at 10.
Mm. volume has been very good. Everything's way above 100,000. We can go ahead and create a real demand zone on the bottom here.
Oh, just over 10,000 now trading. It's not even 10 o'clock yet.
Wow. All right, I'm going to keep an eye on the 622 on the put side.
Five minutes to the pop.
Okay.
With a 1 minute MACD is just flatter than flat right now.
Mm-hmm. Five-minute MACD still pointing down. Price trying to sneak out to break out on the bottom side. Keeps getting pulled back up, but we'll continue to keep an eye on 622.
It's just keep finding some support there at 619.29.
Mm-hmm.
The wicks have gone down below it, but the bodies haven't gone down and stayed below it.
About 2.5 minutes till the pop.
I'll be back in a minute, Tim.
Mm-hmm. Price is going to break out of here at some point. Okay. I'm going to enter the 622, which I did. Filled at 405. Ooh, that's expensive.
You're not concerned about sitting there at the pop?
Oh, yeah, I am a little concerned about that, but I wasn't paying attention, Larry.
Sorry.
Fifteen seconds to the pop.
Mm-hmm. I got into this trade.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, I wasn't paying attention to the pop. I stand by to take some profit, and let's go ahead and take some profit here and out at 472. Holy smokes. Thank you, Pop.
Sometimes you get lucky.
Sometimes you do.
It's 65 to 70 delta is a whole new ballgame.
What's that?
This 65 to 70 delta is a whole new ballgame.
Yes. Yes, it is.
I mean, completely different
Mm-hmm.
than trading 40s. It's quick.
Yes, it is.
It makes other losses that would seem catastrophic. Now all of a sudden they don't really amount to much.
That's right. That's exactly right.
Yeah.
Wow, the 10 o'clock volume was way up there. Got up to just shy of 1 million.
Wow. That's impressive.
Yeah. And we're up to 13,973,000. It's about to hit 14. There it goes. 14 million on the underlying. Dow is down 213, Nas down 318, S&P down 59. We got us a down market. Price trying to reverse here a bit. Really struggling to get up any higher. Have some top end wicks on those last 3 minutes showing us downward pressure. One minute MACD is crossed back over to the call side, starting to get some convergence or curvature on the 5 minute MACD, although it's still pointing down. Price trying to come back down. Dow is down 180, Nasdaq's down 299, S&P down 55, Nasdaq 302 now down. Price working on a crazy Ivan here. There it goes. Price continuing to rise. All right, we got a new demand zone. Let's go ahead and put that in. This one gray. Wow. Price just popped up there real high.
I'm looking at the 617 on the call side.
Okay. Me too. Let me reset my.
I'm gonna go ahead and try to get in on this, maybe. Wow. Now that now I'm moving up to the 18, 618.
618.
Yeah.
All right.
And in at, what do I get in at? 292.
Still looking at the 618.
Trying to get above VWAP there.
All right, I'm going to go ahead and get in. There we go. I'm in at 307.
Try to get some profit here if it gets up a little bit more. All right, got profit 30 cents, 292 to 322.
Wow, nice. I'm going to go ahead and take some profit here. And got out at 325, 307 to 325.
The 5-minute MACD trying to cross over going up.
Mm-hmm. So we've got 3 trades up 98 cents.
Then we have 2 up 30 or 60 cents. I figured you got over $1 on that one.
Yeah, not quite. Excuse me, I'll be right back.
I'm down to VWAP and trying to bounce off that, go back up.
Okay, back.
Tim, when you're picking strikes, are you picking delta or price? Hello, Tim?
I heard you. I don't know if
Oh, well, Keith, you'll know
Oh,
too. Which
I'm
is
sorry, Larry.
That's okay.
I was muted. Yeah, it's primarily Delta. I'm looking at prices kind of secondary. Um, Although it's important, when we get up into $4, then it's an expensive trade.
A little pricey.
Hmm.
So mostly you're trying to hit around 70 though?
Well, between a 65 and a 70.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Thanks.
So we're just bouncing around in some extended consolidation here. Got 19,436,000 traded on the underlying. All our volume's been above 100,000 the whole session. We love seeing that.
we do.
Yeah. Our 5-minute MACD is crossed to the call bias side. See if price can get below VWAP this time. Like to see price come down below this minor zone, then we'll look at another put trade. Price just keeps getting caught in this consolidation pattern.
Being right at VWAP too doesn't help.
No. All right. I'm going to look at the 622 on the put side. Let's go ahead and try to get into this. And I did get filled at 314. I'm going to go ahead and take some profit here
I
at
just
3.
got I just got in at 329.
Okay. I just got out at 333. Here you go. Come on down.
See if I can get 30 cents on this, and just did.
All right.
329 to 359.
All right.
I'm on a rut here. 30 cents on 3 trades.
And we are 1 hour into the session. We got 20,738,000 traded on the underlying. Dow is down by 239, NASDAQ down by 280, S&P down by 56. Got 4 trades, all positive, up 115.
Yeah, I got out of that one way too soon.
Yeah, me too.
But I've been getting bit recently by trying to get a little bit more, but
Yep. Now this one we caught right at its prime.
yeah. Yeah, I've been getting in late on a number of these too.
Mhm.
Yeah.
It should go all the way down to the demand zone. Five-minute MACD has crossed. And reversal is taking place.
Doing so.
Price might be going into some consolidation here. Dow is down by 294, NASDAQ down by 283, S&P down by 58. Pretty obvious directional market today. Price trying to climb here a bit.
Now we're about halfway through the month here, January, Tim, and I'm looking back at some of my past trades this month, and I've had some losses, but I've minimized my losses using my stop loss, and
Mm-hmm.
that makes a huge difference.
Sure. That's great. It's just more evidence that stops work.
Yeah, yeah.
Also, can't believe we're halfway through the month already.
Isn't that crazy?
Time is accelerating.
It's going to be July the 4th any day now.
What's that, Larry? Say again.
Gonna be July the 4th any day now.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly.
And then a couple of weeks after that, it'll be Thanksgiving.
It's what it feels like. Price reaching up to the minor zone. You see 2 minutes below 100,000 here. 1027 and 1029. Oh, 1037.
Yeah, but very few of them.
Yeah. Oh, bouncing off the minor zone. Price heading down again pretty sharply. Yeah, it's going to break through the demand zone here. It's just getting stuck a little bit. Well, was stuck at the demand zone. Looks like it's dropping out the bottom. Wow.
Looking at the 619 on the put side.
Okay. 619.
Yeah. I'm gonna go and try to get in on this. In at 275. Just gonna try to get 20 cents on this if I can.
Mm-hmm.
Mhm. And I did. 275 to 295.
All right.
Broke my trend of 30 cents though.
Welcome to the Dollar Club.
Yeah, thank you.
Nice breakout. Hope you all got into this one.
Were you in it?
No, no. I'm pretty happy with 115.
As well, you should be.
Just don't want to give anything back. Call me selfish.
I'll call you wise.
Okay, I'll take that. Our 1 minute MACD is already down to negative 1.5. It's getting pretty deep. Low in the case, as it were. Hey guys, I'll be right back. Got Dow down by 296, Nas down by 374, S&P down by 73. Pretty directional market today. Got 25,250,000 traded on the underlying. Good volume. Just a handful of minutes below 100,000. Good trading today.
Yes, sir.
Getting a reversal going here now.
Hey, Tim.
Yeah.
On my Zoom screen, the members of the group are placed along the top of the screen.
Uh-huh.
Is there a way to move them over to the side on the right side of the screen?
Yeah, click on the participants at the bottom of the screen.
Click on them. Okay. All right.
And does that show up then over at the right now?
Oh, it does. It gives okay. So now it's got a list
Yep.
instead of, well, I guess basically it's a list at the top too, but this is a smaller list. Same thing though, I guess. Not really. Well, I mean, there are a couple of people with pictures and they don't. Well, I see your little picture over there, Keith, and Mark's little picture. They're just real small though. But I don't have to spend a lot of time studying those anyway,
Right.
because I've already seen Keith.
We won't give you a quiz on it.
I appreciate that because I'm not up for much testing of any sort. So, okay, that's what I want to know. Thank you.
Yep.
Price just a little bit of consolidation here after that nice breakout down. That was a nice breakout. Probably be more of those breakouts today. Okay, we are at the top of the hour, folks. We're going to go ahead and call it a day for today. I just added up mine and I've got 4 trades plus 121 this morning. So very pleased with that. Hope you all had a great morning.
Yep. And I have 4 trades up $1.10.
Yeah.
Not too shabby.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. Not
Very
too
good.
bad. So that's going to do it for us today, folks. We will see you all tomorrow morning.
Yep. Thanks for being with us, everybody. See you tomorrow.
All right. Bye-bye.